most important multiple choice questions from electric charges and fields. Question number 1. The electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field will be in unstable equilibrium when the angle between direction of electric field and dipole moment is option A 0 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 90 degree, option D 180 degree. The correct answer is 180 degree. Question number 2. How many electrons must removed from a body acquire a charge of plus 1 coulomb? Option A 6.25 into 10 to the power 12. Option B 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. Option C 1.6 into 10 to the power 10. Option D 1.6 into 10 to the power 12. The correct answer is option B 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. Question number 3. The electric dipole placed in an uniform electric field experiences option A only force, option B both force and torque, option C only torque, option D neither force nor torque. The correct answer is option C only torque. Question number 4. A glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth. The charge acquired by glass rod is option A negative, option B 0, option C positive, option D positive on one end and negative on the opposite end. Answer is option C positive. Question number 5. Physical quantity measured in terms of coulomb is option A electric charge, option B electric current, option C electric flux, option D electric field. The correct answer is option A electric charge. Number 6. Question number 6. For large distances from a short dipole, the electric field due to it depends on the distance r from it as option A 1 by r square, option B r square, option C r cube, option D 1 by r cube. Here the correct answer is option D 1 by r cube. Question number 7. The SI unit of electric field is option A Newton Coulomb, option B Newton per Coulomb square, option C Newton per Coulomb, option D voltmeter. Here the correct answer is option C Newton per Coulomb. Question number 8. The substance which allow electricity to pass through them easily are called option A conductors, option B insulators, option C semiconductor, option D none of them. Here the correct answer is option A conductors. Question number 9. When ebonite rod rubbed against fur, then ebonite rod acquires option A positive charge, option B negative charge, option C may be positive or negative depending on frictional force, option D no charge acquired by ebonite. Here the correct answer is option B negative charge. Question number 10. Two types of charges were identified and named as positive and negative by option A Charles Augustin D Coulomb, option B Andre Marie Ampere, option C Benjamin Franklin, option D Robert Millikan. Here the correct answer is option C Benjamin Franklin. Question number 11. Quantization of charge was experimentally proved by option A Charles Augustin D Coulomb, option B Andre Marie Ampere, option C Benjamin Franklin, option D Robert A Millikan. Here the correct answer is option D Robert A Millikan. Question number 12. SI unit of charge is option A ampere, option B Newton per Coulomb, option C volt, option D coulomb. Here the correct answer is option D coulomb. Question number 13. Charge on a body cannot be option A 100 elementary charge, option B 1000 elementary charge, option C 1.5 elementary charge, option D 550 elementary charge. Correct answer is 1.5 elementary charge. Question number 14. After changing the mass of positively charged body will option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains the same, Option D, decrease or increase depending on the amount of charge. Here the correct answer is option B, decreases. Question number 15. Question number 15. Electrostatic, two electrons repel each other with the electrostatic force F if both the electrons replaced with protons, force between them for same distance is option A 2F, option B F by 2, option C 4F, option D F. Here the correct answer is option D F. Question number 16. Charge on the body can be detected by using option A microscope, option B telescope, option C voltmeter, option D electroscope. Here the correct answer is option D electroscope. Question number 17. The electric field inside a charged conductor is option A infinite, option B finite, option C 0, option all. Here the correct answer is option C 0. Question number 18. A charged particle kept in an electric field experiences a force opposite to the direction of field. The charged particle is option A proton, option B alpha particle, option C neutron, option D electron. Question number 19. Electrostatic force between 2 point charges is inversely proportional to option A 1 by r square, option B r square, option C 1 by r cube, option D r cube. Here the correct answer is option B r square. Question number 20. The SI unit of electric permittivity of a medium. Option A Fermi per meter, option B volt per meter, option C Newton per coulomb, option D Henry per meter. Here the correct answer is option A Fermi per meter. Question number 21. Dielectric constant of air or vacuum is option A 0, option B 1, option C infinity, option D 1.5. The correct answer is option B 1. Question number 22. Select the correct statement. Option A. For the given distance r from the center of the short electric dipole, magnitude of electric field along axial line is greater than electric field on the equatorial line. Option B. For the given distance r from the center of the short electric dipole, magnitude of electric field along axial line is less than electric field on the equatorial line. Option C. For the given distance r from the center of the short electric dipole, magnitude of electric field along axial. Option D. All the above conclusions depend on the medium. Here the correct answer is option A. For the given distance r from the center of the short electric dipole, magnitude of electric field along axial line is greater than electric field on the equatorial line. Question number 23. Electric field lines. Option A never intersect, option B diverge from positive charge, option C converge from negative charge, option D all are correct. Here all the options are correct. Question number 24. Electric field due to uniformly charged wire varies with distance as option A r square, option B 1 by r, option C 1 by r cube, option D r. Here the correct answer is option B 1 by r. Question number 25. The SI unit of electric flux is option A Newton meter square per coulomb, option B Newton meter, option C joule per coulomb, option D ampere meter. Here the correct answer is option A Newton meter square per coulomb. Question number 26. Select the correct option. Option A electric field is a vector quantity, electric flux is a scalar quantity. Option B electric field is a scalar quantity, electric flux is a scalar quantity. Option C electric field is a vector quantity, electric flux is a vector quantity. Option D electric field is a scalar quantity, electric flux is a vector quantity. Here the correct option is option A electric field is a vector quantity, electric flux is a scalar quantity. Question number 27. Through a closed surface enclosing a charge, outward electric flux is dash and inward electric flux is dash. Option A positive negative, option B positive positive, option C negative positive, option D negative negative. Here the correct answer is option A positive negative. Question number 28. Charge on a body is plus 1 coulomb If 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons were added to the body, then net charge is option A plus 2 coulomb, option B half coulomb, option C minus 1 coulomb, option D 0. Here the correct answer is option C minus 1 coulomb. Question number 29. Electric flux through a closed surface enclosing an electric dipole is option A 0, option B depends upon dipole moment, option C depends upon nature of closed surface, option D both B and C. Here the correct answer is option A 0. The units of linear density, surface density and volume density of charges are option A coulomb per meter square and coulomb per meter cube, option B coulomb per meter square, coulomb meter and coulomb per meter cube, option C coulomb per meter square and coulomb per meter cube, option D coulomb meter square and coulomb meter cube. Correct answer is option A coulomb per meter square and coulomb per meter cube. Question number 31. Torque experienced by an electric dipole kept in an external uniform electric field is option A maximum when dipole axis is parallel to the electric field, option B minimum when dipole axis is perpendicular to the electric field, option C maximum when dipole axis is antiparallel to the electric field, option D maximum when dipole axis is perpendicular to the electric field. Here the correct answer is option D maximum when dipole axis is perpendicular to the electric field. Question number 32. The SI unit of electric dipole moment is option A centimeter cube, option B coulomb meter, option C coulomb per meter, option D volt per meter. Here the correct answer is option B coulomb meter. Question number 33. Electric dipole moment. Option A is a vector, option B is a scalar, option C may be vector or scalar, option D is a unitless and dimensionless quantity. Here the correct answer is option A is a vector.